Hi, it's New Year's Day today, 2018, so I hope everybody had a great New Year's Eve. But we're doing a mail call slash little morning mimosa here today, and it's going to go perfect with these mimosas. But this company messaged me off my YouTube channel, and the box says Homemade Candle Lighter Arc Lighter. So let's see what this is. Get this out of here, but looks like it's about 8 inches long, and then it has a, looks like you push that up, and then there's a button right there. So let's see this. Oh, check that out. I've never used one of these little arc lighters before. That's cool. So let's light a candle for our morning mimosas and see how this works. Whoa, that was cool. Yeah, that works good. Here, let's try this one. I got a second candle just to kind of try it up. It sparks a little bit at first. But yeah, and then you can just fold that down in. Great. So check these out. You can probably find them anywhere. Just type in Homate arc lighter on Amazon or eBay or wherever you'd like to shop. I'm sure they're all over. I appreciate these guys sending me this and letting me use it in one of the videos. And so I hope you like this mail call. I hope everybody has a good day, and we'll see you next time. Okay, well, I was going through the box. There was one more item that goes with this, and I'm like, I wonder how this is. Does it charge? Is it battery powered? And lo and behold, look right here in the box. I'm glad I looked. It's a USB plug. And then right on the side, there's your plug it into your computer, so that's how you charge it. So you just charge it up. So I'm glad I looked at this so we could get the full review on this, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.